Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Joseph from ScreenBite, and today I wanted to talk about this little microphone that I got plugged into my coat. This is called the Hollyland Lark M2, and you've probably have seen it all over YouTube in a bunch of different videos where people are talking about how it's one of the most amazing lav mics that you can buy for a good price if you want to have a wireless lavalier system similar to like DJI or Rode, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that yes, that's true. But I wanted to do something a little bit different with it. I wanted to buy them, one, yes, so I could do some talking head segments like this with decent mic quality. But the other thing that I wanted to try out with this little mic is the fact that since it's wireless and the kit that I bought for $130 comes with both the microphone receiver that's on my Panasonic Lumix S9 right now, as well as a USB-C receiver, which is meant for the iPhone, I was curious if it could be used as a microphone setup for gaming. So the way this little microphone works is you take the USB-C receiver, I plugged it into the USB-C port on my computer, and I set it as my mic input. And then in game, I also made sure that it was my default microphone on my computer. And lo and behold, it works. This is amazing because what this allows me to do is to actually use my really nice DT1990 headphones, which I love using for competitive gaming, with a decent quality microphone that is wireless, charges really quickly within its own charging case, and I can just pop onto my shirt whenever I want. So what do you say we do some mic tests?
You know, now that I'm thinking about it, now that I'm actually in game testing the microphone, you could also probably use this as a streaming mic too. How's the quality sound, y'all? I bet you it sounds amazing. I know it sounds amazing, actually. What am I talking about? So yeah, this thing is so versatile. All right, let's play some hardcore. Now, I am not a pro gamer by any stretch of the imagination, but I'll do my best for y'all. Don't judge my COD gameplay too much. By the way, the AIM 6, mwah, incredible assault rifle.
Destroy the enemy.
Follow my homie here. Ooh, aw, man. Okay. at least I traded. Oh, ah! Oh, that's my boy. Ow! Yeah, like I said, I'm very bad. Yeah. Oh! No! I just killed my boy. Nah, not today. Yo, the slides in this game are amazing. Like the Omni movement, not a review of COD, but Omni movement is amazing. It doesn't feel too different from like other CODs, but it's just enough to be fun without completely breaking the balance of the game. And it also makes things feel a lot faster, which is ow! Oh! All right, no more sprinting. Let's actually like concentrate. That was terrible. Is there anybody in this room? Yes, there is. Okay. There's always a second dude. My boy's just lying here on the floor. You know what? Maybe we just don't go in that room anymore. How about that? Maybe I can get around him this way. I do not know this map that well. Y'all saw that, right? Okay. Luckily, this is not a review of my skills. This is a review of the microphone. But oh my god. I'm so bad. There's definitely a person over here, right? The moment you look away, that's when they appear. Like I literally have walls with the with that one ability. I should have kept firing. I should have kept firing. All right, there's a guy right here.
Oh no no no! This wasn't supposed to happen.
Okay, Tism. Yo, let's go. Okay. I don't know this map. Ah! No! All right, there's a guy up top. Can I throw a grenade up here?
Enemy movement spotted.
I can't, but I can shoot him in the face. Oh! I saw him too. Maybe I'll just do a cut of all of my kills so it doesn't look like I died a million times, but that would be not cool. There's a guy up here. Oh no! Dang it! Oh, they got a helicopter. Not anymore. Oh, that was terrible. All right, come on. Please peek left, peek left, peek left. Yes!
EKIA.
I thought that was a friendly.
Hostile down.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, the match is almost over. Good, because I'm doing terrible. Oh, God. All right, we're going this way.
Catch me, eyes in the sky.
No! All right, well, that's the microphone, I guess, in both of gameplay setup as well as potentially as a streaming setup. Thoughts?
Fun fact, but you can also plug the USB-C receiver into something like a MacBook if you want to have one of the most extreme work from home Zoom setups you've ever seen. Overkill, but it works. But yeah, that's going to go ahead and do it for this video, guys. So thank you once again for watching. As always, if you liked it, make sure to show it by hitting that like button down below. It really helps me out. Also, if you have any questions about what we talked about today, feel free to ask it in the comment section down below. But until next time, I will see you all in the next video. Bye.